Right, we arrived at 1 o'clock and then just ran some way and then came out because it's quite an interesting viewing point of Project Exodus at the minute. And because it's so busy, it was just like, been here loads of times, just want to give you an update today for Project Exodus. Got a busy day ahead of me tomorrow. So, yeah, it's going to be interesting for the rest of the week. Oh, hello. So over there, that's the rebars that are put into concrete after. And yes. Yeah, it's a very smooth site at the minute. Oh, hello. Wonder what this is going to be. Yeah, it's quite big at the moment. But yeah. I think this is where the station's going to be, and that's why I imagine this is why it's here. Just look how clear the site is now. Yeah, things are about to take new heights forever in a minute. Look at that! It's very dark! Yeah, look at that. The island changes after dark. Especially on this side anyway. It's a very interesting activity indeed. And that is rebar they've got there, which there is more over there as well by Stumbleways, which I was on the ride about half an hour ago. All the pins are still there at the moment, ground pins basically. I wonder what they're actually doing right over there. If anyone knows what they're doing right the other end, if it's where the unique twist is going to be and that's the groundwork they're doing, then just say yes or no if it is. Now, what have they got there? So they've actually put rebar together, so where they've sorted, they've put it one of these sections over here with concrete, and then the rest of it's just waiting for the track supports to come, and then just put it in like a jigsaw puzzle, and it will be up here somewhere. Well, you know, gonna be somewhere out there anyway. It's gonna be some height. So what I want to summarise where the far end is at the minute, that is completely now with pretty much with concrete, and you see pins spiked up as well. So the only bit is now to go in is just the track support, which won't be long. It won't be long, but obviously there's still a lot more things on that side I need to be doing. But all I can say is I'm very excited for that moment when it starts to happen. I don't think we're going to see it for another month and a half at least, till that excitement times really starts to kick in. But it is the hype now. 7 months into this now, projects this update from the moment it got approved and things have started to get demolished. I can't believe how much we all see in this channel, and I can't believe what I'm seeing at times as well. It's all about to change with new heights soon. It's going to be amazing. So those people follow Jack Silkstead's channel of his updates, where he normally stands over there. Wow, literally on the end of that building is a camera. That camera could be a time lapse from where construction started to where it's going to end, and that could be a video later on next year to show you all what it was from to where it is later. Interesting times to see, I reckon. So I was going to head my way back until a sudden strong wind happened, and this happened. So all of a sudden, the covers were lifted up, and right now it's like that, and I could actually see the ground pins. I'm on Monk's Walk, by the way, which is a public footpath, and I got to see that. Lovely. It's all engineering side. That won't be here for long. I won't never see that again. And yeah, that is part of Project Exodus to support the track. It's mental, isn't it? I'm so lucky to be at the moment and see the size of the ground pins. That is exciting. Look at that. Wow, that was exciting, wasn't it? Was not expecting that. I've literally just done Monk's Walk update of Project Exodus. I was heading my way back. It's a bit windy today, and all these covers just flew in the air, and all of a sudden I looked to my left, the ground pins were there. I was like, oh, can't get any closer than that. I won't be seeing that for you again. That was from Monk's Walk side. I actually came down there, all of a sudden wind blew the covers in the air, and next to me, it was from the public side, I could see the ground pins. And it got like, oh my days, this needs a haircut. But anyway, definitely could say this now. I'm so lucky to see that. And I won't see that again. It's going to be buried in the ground. And then, yeah, I literally cannot believe I got as close as that from the public side where the pins were put to one side by the fence. That's a crazy moment. Very lucky indeed. Be sure to subscribe to see more, and check on the 16th of July of my special update from the channel very soon. It's a very unique one, and I honestly would say now, it's got to be said, it's exciting. A few people are looking forward to this. Most people don't know. Subscribe, get ready for this one, because it's going to be a very different video. So stay tuned, 9 o'clock, 16th of July. Do not miss it. It's what it is. It's got to be done. I want to be unique for the channel and get it out there to the world to show you what it's all about. See you later. See you later. What a day. Ground pins. Very lucky indeed.